Hello guys, welcome to our channel again. I am Sudeep and today I have come back with a new electronic gadget. This is a very sensitive radio. This is a very sensitive receiver. And I should inform you this also, this is a flagship series radio. So basically in this channel we generally do some experiment about signals, about radio, about FM transmitter and other electronics like component, IC, transistor, AC-DC converter, lot of things we will do. So for this type of actual tech content, you should subscribe our channel and like. Let's continue the video. Okay, let's check it out what is inside the box. So as you can see, there are a few wires, external antenna, and there is a case for carrying the radio, which is really good. The build quality is also very good. Okay, and this is the user manual that I will never read. You can if you want. Sorry. This is all what is inside the box, as you can see. So this is an external antenna. It's made of with 3.5mm jack and added with some extra wire. You can make it at home also. Take a 3.5mm jack, add a long wire and put it on the roof or on the trees like this. It will work very good. So this is the cover. You can put it your radio inside. This is really good, but now I will show you. I'm keeping it on the cover. If I turn it on,
Super delivery brought to you by Papa John.
just continue watching the video till the end, because I will tell you, I will show you an amazing trick to buy this radio in really very cheap price from AliExpress. Okay, so I'm in very strong signal area. I'm in Dubai. So as you can see, without any antenna, I'm getting the stereo signal here. I hope you, yeah, the stereo signal. If I touch it, it will be fixed. Okay. There are a lot of radio stations in Dubai, more than 40, 45. So what okay, so I will say that this radio keypad doesn't have any backlight or anything else, but what I experienced, because I experienced this before, the sound quality is much louder than R108, but actually the sound is not that crisp. So I really like the sound quality of that one, R108. This one sound quality is not good for me. I don't satisfied with this sound quality. I'm talking about the loudspeaker sound quality, because it not crisp. It's not that much treble, bass. Overall sound quality is not good. And you can see this defect. This is a bit ink. This is a little bit ink or something here. So when I got this, I was not satisfied to see this, because the build quality is everything for this radio. It's the flagship series radio. So if you find any defect on the physical condition, so that is not good. So immediately I talked to the seller. Actually I bought it from AliExpress. I talked to the seller. So seller told that really sorry for this. So he given me $3 back for compensation, which he suggested me to apply some alcohol or something to remove this. I didn't try it, so I have to buy beer or some alcohol juice for this. So okay, so as usual all the functions are like same, but as I heard, the signal reception is really good in this one. Okay, so I was talking about the sound quality before. The sound quality is not comparable with R108, but it is much louder. But the sound clarity and sweetness is not like that. But if you plug with your earphones, then you can enjoy the sound really well. So there are a few positive points of this radio also, because as you can see, this has the power bank cell. This is 18 what is the model number? It's 160. Maybe no 650 18650. This cell is really good as compared to the Nokia BL5C battery, because it stay much longer and easy to find to the market, cheap, and also it gives much better battery backup as compared to the R108. So I mean others frequency are same, like you can also switch to the 64 to 108 megahertz FM band, Airband, SW, SSB also, so you can go for it definitely. So that's it for the XHDATA D108. This is the flagship series. This is for my collection. This is really good one, but I'm really sorry for that R108, because I believe that what nowadays XHDATA R108 is also available on the market, and Sihuadon R108 is also available on the market, and also with the black color too. But I don't know why I'm thinking nowadays the build quality, maybe the build quality is not so good as compared to the previous. Okay, so I'm not going to give you more information about Sihuadon R108, because this review is for XHDATA D808, not for R108. But if you wanna compare this, or if you want to see that review, I have made the video before, so you can check it out my channel. There is a video available for Sihuadon R108, so you can check out that. I will put the link in the description also. So let's continue with this XHDATA D808, and in the later one I will also show you the Sihuadon D808. Okay, so that's it for now. So I got it in very low price from AliExpress by applying coupons. So you can apply some trick. If you are buying something from AliExpress, you can apply some trick. You should find another laptop or mobile phone, and you have to use another ID, new Gmail ID you can log in with. Then you will get some amazing discount for first user first order. So for this you will get maybe for 250 dirham, which is convertible dollar to, I don't know how much you can convert it, but as usual the price is dirham AED is 310 or around 300. So I got 50 dirham less. So if I convert to Indian rupees, it will be 1000 or 1100 rupees less than the normal price. So I can give you this suggestion or the trick you can apply if you are planning to buy a new radio from AliExpress or any type of electronics gadget from AliExpress. Then you can apply this trick. This okay, the side view is like this. Before ending the video, I need to show you the side view is like this, because the volume control shifted to the left side, because in the right side the fine-tuning knob is there right now. So the fine-tuning knob is here, so you can fine-tune it when you are listening shortwave or SSB especially. And also the external antenna you can plug in here. The socket is there, and also the headphone socket, sorry. And the volume control is shifted on the left side, and this is you can just little force you have to apply. Then as usual, this is good, this is super fine. So yeah, okay, good. So now you can carry with this case. Yeah, it looks good. fine. So if you're traveling, you can carry this case. This is nice. This is okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you have any question, you can comment in the comment section below. If you want to share your opinion, you can do that also. And if you are really new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe.
Running wild through every limit, every second, yeah, I'm in it. No regrets, just life infinite. I'm the rhythm in the song. No more shadows, no more chains, breaking through the pouring rain. You can watch me, you can try, but nothing's gonna